Okay, so this is like pretty much part two. Sorry about that. I just lost my spot and had to figure this out real quick. So if I do this, pick my username, downloads, BHT, I'm going to be able to see desktop combine. Yeah. Now I'm going to be able to get into where I need to get into. Okay. From here, I'm able to do this thing. Cat. It's just some code that you have to put in precisely in order to make it happen, which is fine. Okay. When I run that prompt, what's going to happen now, and obviously you don't have to do all these steps. I'm just showing it to you because I can't figure out how to get to my desktop. Okay, so now I have this. It's all those that I just did combined. So all those keywords I just put together combined in one CSV. So that's convenient. And it's going to be convenient whenever you're building up these sites. Man, I am having one of those days. This is not what I want. Oh boy. Okay. There it goes. So what I like to do is I work in Sheets. Man, I'm making all the mistakes today. Jump in, go to Google Sheets, open up a blank sheet, and paste. And I'm gonna have all my keywords right here, which is nice. And on top of that, I get a quick little overview as to the paid difficulty, SEO difficulty. Obviously, I can get this from Ahrefs. I can use several different tools to get this same thing. But Ubersuggest is cheap, and I think that's going to be my weapon of choice moving forward because it is so cheap and it gets done what I need to get done. So, anyways, so I can do this. What is affiliate marketing? Blah, 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 blah. And so, if I take this column, drop it in the case converter, maybe not. There it goes. Okay. I don't know why I did that. It's weird. Yeah, we got a decent amount, but not a whole bunch. So that's good. And I can proper case this entire thing. And what that means is you'll see. So if I do that, I have it in there like that. So whenever I start tagging up keywords, it'll be a lot better. You'll see what I mean. So now if I go back over to WordPress and you guys saw me in SERPshaker, I can use SERPshaker with different short codes, and I'm going to call this one affiliate marketing basic. Drop everything in there. I did it again. I don't know why it's doing that. That's really annoying. But I don't want to have these blank spaces in here, so I'm going to go ahead and delete them. There it goes. Okay. So now I'm creating a shortcode with several keywords in it. And obviously I can do a data import, which would be pretty cool, actually. I didn't even know I could do that. I might have to try that feature a little bit later. That'll actually shorten my actually, let's watch it. Let's do it right now. I might have just hacked the process a little bit there and gotten it a little bit tighter. So if I go here, I'll jump in, if I combine, upload, mass import, or, okay, that's cool. The CSV test is what we'll call it. Save, and let's see if the data actually goes in. Yep, it did. But remember, I have multiple columns here, so that sucks. But the cool thing is, at least I know that that works. So that's a possibility. I can use that in the future. I'll go back and perfect that process. You'll see me build several sites. This page is going to kind of turn into that for a little while I kind of perfect my process and, you know, do that whole thing. Because I just want to make sure that people are able to kind of see what I'm doing and how I'm able to do it, and then go and get the entire method from the guy that I learned it from, right? It's one thing learning it from me. It's another thing learning it from someone that I was mentored under. So, okay. So what I like to do is say, we can do affiliate marketing, and then I can do this thing, boom, which is nice, but I can also drop it in here, which is what we're going to do actually. And then from content standpoint, man, there's more steps. Article Forge, and I also use Word AI, which is super beneficial to me. Been a huge fan of them. I'm going to link up both of those tools that you need in the description below this video. So I can create a new article. I just say that I want an article around affiliate marketing, SEO, affiliate marketing, SEO, commission, SEO traffic. Let's try something like that. I'll do a medium. I'm going to add titles. I'll ask them to add an image. Replace this with links. I can pick a link. That could be kind of interesting. I could say, this is a really cool thing, because what I'm going to be able to do with this is I can skip a step actually. So if I do SEO affiliate marketing, boom, and then I jump over, I'm going to pause. Okay, so I'm back. What I'm going to do is, I wasn't going to show you guys this, but I'm going to go ahead and show you it anyways. I'm going to add a new plugin. What I like to use is Pretty Links for my link management. It just kind of allows you to have a branded link that looks good and understand where it's coming from, which is a huge benefit later on down the line. Okay, activate. And this takes a little bit of time to, okay, cool. I don't need help getting started, but I do need to go over and add new. And obviously, you know, Pretty Links is pretty solid. SEO AD. And so this is the dirty version of it, and this is the clean one. So I just kind of wanted to create that. SEO AD. I'm gonna have to go back and rename it. Ugh. Oops. So it's pretty simple. It's just there's multiple. You know, obviously there's multiple steps, and a lot of people aren't willing to do that. But you know, I guess, you know, more for us, more for me. Okay, cool. So I got that in there. If I, what do I want to do here? Okay, drop this in to this guy. And that's my link. I do want to just say HTTPS. Let me make sure it works real quick. Ugh. I don't know why my link is insecure too. All right, cool. It is. We're good whenever we actually land on the page. So whatever. I'll figure that out some other time. Replace title. Don't care about that. Use placeholder. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that the same. I'm gonna spin this guy, make this super very readable is what I like to do. I do rewrite sentences, and then I can automatically post it on the blog, which I'm not going to do, but that's super dope that I can do that because I've got to take this content and I'm going to drop it in. So on top of me kind of setting up a way to get a ton of keywords, me get a lot of eyeballs and traffic, so free traffic, because organic is, free traffic. I'm selling or presenting a high commission product, and I'm using mostly free tools. Search Shaker is going to cost you a little bit. Siteground is going to cost you $150, I think, in order to get a 12-month membership to it, and even cheaper than that if you want to go a cheaper route. So yeah, maybe like $200 or so, $250. You can duplicate this process that I'm showing you. At least you're not going to get the tightest version of it unless you take the course, obviously. But at least you will know that you can get started with this information. So that's the whole purpose of my channel, is going to be affiliate marketing for beginners. And I'm going to kind of go through some of the very, very basic stuff. Really how I did it, I don't think it makes a lot of sense to talk to you guys about anything other than, what I've actually experienced, tools I've actually used, and so on and so forth. So I'm gonna pause this and let this